Good morning, class 1. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So students, this is your maths period. Take out your mental maths books and your stationery. Today we will do the worksheets of mental maths. Okay? So quickly take out your books. So in the previous class we did worksheet number 10. We had done this in the previous class. So today we will do worksheet number 11. Okay? Today we will do worksheet number 11. So let's write the date. Today is 7th of August 2021 and the day is Saturday. Okay, so let's start. Repeat after me. W-R-I-T-E. Write. T-H-E. The. N-U-M-B-E-R-S. Numbers. T-H-A-T. That. C-O-M-E. Come. J-U-S-T. Just. A-F-T-E-R. After. T-H-E. The. G-I-V-E-N. Given. N-U-M-B-E-R-S. Numbers. Write the numbers that come just after the given numbers. Okay? So हमें यहाँ पर क्या करना है? हमें यहाँ पर जो भी नंबर्स दिए हुए हैं इनके आगे के नंबर्स लिखने हैं. मतलब we have to write what comes after. इधर हमें क्या करना है? इधर हमें लिखना है what comes after. So we have did this in class now. We have done what comes after, what comes before and what comes between. Yes? So today we will be doing what comes after and what comes before. So let's start. First we have to count the number. Okay? When we are doing what comes after, so what we do, we do forward counting. ठीक है, हम लोग forward counting count करते हैं. And when we do before numbers कि what comes before, तो हम क्या करते हैं? We do backward counting. So let's start. The first one is 12. So what comes after 12? What comes after 12? 13. 13 comes after 12. Okay? 12 के बाद 13 आता है ना? Okay. So write 13 here. Now let's do the next one. 16. So what comes after 16? What comes after 16? 17. Yes, 17 comes after 16. Done? Now let's do the next one. What comes after 14? Count till 14. Yes, 15. 15 comes after 14. Write 15 here. Done. Now what comes after 18? 19. Yes, 19 comes after 18. So write a 19 here. Done? Okay. So let's move on to the next one. So here we have 13 and we have to write that what comes after 13. Yes, 14 comes after 13. Okay, write 14 here. Now let's do the next one. Here we have 19. So what comes after 19? 20. 20 comes after 19. Okay. So let's do the next one. 15. What comes after 15? 15 के बाद क्या आता है काउंटिंग में? 16. Yes, 16 comes after 15. Write 16 here. Done. Now we have 17 here. So what comes after 17? 18. 18 comes after 17. So this is the last one. So let's do it. So what comes after 11? Yes, 12. 12s come after 11. Write 12 here. Written? Okay. So here we have done what comes after. Now we will do what comes before. Write the numbers that comes just before the given numbers. यहाँ पर हमें क्या करना है? What comes before. Okay. So we have 15. Okay. So अब हम what comes before में क्या करेंगे? अब हम backward counting करेंगे. Okay. So what comes 15? Count till 15. Yes, 14. 14 comes before 15. Okay. 14 के बाद आता है ना 15. Yes. Done. Write 14 here. Now let's see the next one. It is 18. So what comes before 18? Here we have 18 now. Here we did. So what comes before 18? 17. So we will write 17 here. 17 comes before 18. Let's do the next one. What comes before 11? 11 से पहले क्या आता है? Sorry, what comes before 12? 12 से पहले क्या आता है? 11. So write 11 here. Okay. Now let's see. Next one, 17. So what comes before 17? Yes, 16 comes before 17. Now next one. What comes after before 19? 19 से पहले क्या आता है? Here we have 19. Here we did what come after ना? So what comes before 19? 19 से पहले क्या आता है? 18. So we will write 18 here. Okay. Okay. So now let's do the next one. It is 13 here. So what comes before 13? 12. 12 comes before 13. So we will write 12. Now next one. What comes before 20? 19. 19 comes before 20. Okay. Now next one. What comes? Oh, sorry. 16 comes. What comes before 16? 16 से पहले क्या होता है? 15. So we will write 15 here. Now let's do the next one. What comes before 14? Yes, 13. 13 comes before 14. Okay, done. Now let's do the last one. What comes before 15? Yes, 14. We have already done it here. Okay. So class, that's all for today. Complete your work. See you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a good day.